There you
Oh,
go.
now it's
That's how
recording.
you know. Can you edit it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Vital, and I'm here at CEDIA Expo, and I'm presenting the product called CloviTek. This is the smartest Wi-Fi audio transmitter, and I will show you how it works. Right now you can see the TV is turned on. We've connected Wi-Fi through our different audio outputs, analog output, and we connected it to the Wi-Fi network, to the local router. And then we started the mobile app, and right now it's transmitting audio from the TV to this phone, to this device. So you can plug in your headphones and you start streaming. Very ideal for people who have a disabled hearing loss, or who cannot, who would like to hear late the TV at night. If you come close, you can hear that transmission. Right now, so it's transmitting from that TV. Now, if you have multiple users who would like to hear to the TV, they can just simply connect each device to the TV, and then they select different users, different TVs from the mobile app. You can see we've won multiple consumer electronics awards. If you come closer, I will show you. This is a Consumer Electronics Award, was received at the CES show this year, and we received the Commercial Integrator Award at the Infocom. You can find information by going to our website, CloviTek.com, and the devices are sold at a discounted price at $99. So if you have any questions, you're welcome to send us email, and we'll be happy to answer. And we are the CEDIA Expo for the integrators and also for the installers. So thank you for your time. Looking forward to your visit. Did you focus on me when I said thank you?